Hey everyone, it's Stephanie with Riverbend Nursery with this week's plant premiere of the week. This week we're featuring Heuchera Fire Alarm, which is red hot. This plant is perfect for fall, which is just around the corner. Load up your benches with this. These are great for containers. They take part sun to shade. The red foliage on this is perfect for the fall season. This is the reddest heuchera that we grow here at Riverbend Nursery and that probably you'll find anywhere. So get your fire alarm red, smoking, and get your garden on.